Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make a soup that'll help you get through a cold and flu. This is probably something most mothers and grandmothers have made for their kids. It's extremely easy and makes you feel better quickly. All the ingredients and measurements are in a link right below this video. I'm using 2 large lamb shanks that have been washed. These are mostly bone with a little meat. You can ask the butcher to cut this up into smaller pieces or leave it whole like this. I'm using whole spices in this soup to give it some flavor. Cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, coriander seeds, whole black peppercorns, and star anise, whole garlic cloves, and fresh ginger. Smash the garlic and ginger. Peel a yellow onion and cut into quarters. Heat up the pot you'll be making the soup in. Add the whole spices and heat for a minute or 2 until you smell them. Remove the spices from the pot and put them aside. You'll notice I didn't do that, but please do. Add the smashed garlic and ginger, the quartered onion, lamb shanks, and cover with water. The water should be an inch above the meat. If you add too much water, the stock will be watery and not intense. Cover and bring to a boil. Once it boils, skim the surface and remove the scum. Some people don't skim it, they just mix it in. That's fine too. I like to remove it so the stock will be clear and not cloudy. When you remove the scum, the whole spices might come with them since they're light. That's why I stated earlier to remove the spices after toasting. When you've finished skimming the surface, add the toasted spices to the liquid. Partially cover and simmer for 2 hours. After 2 hours, the liquid has reduced and is very intense in flavor. Turn the heat off. The meat has given up most of its flavor, but you can still use it. I like to shred the meat. Saute onions, garlic with a little salt, chili powder, and add the shredded meat. Cook for a few minutes and serve it over rice or in a taco. Strain the liquid. Gently press to get any of the remaining liquid out. Don't press any of the solids through. We want the liquid to be nice and clear. I like to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Gives it a tang and cuts the fatty flavor of the lamb. Now you can season with salt and fresh ground black pepper. The stock can be served right away with some fresh scallions, or if you want to make more of a meal, add vegetables and a little pasta or rice. Since there is a good amount of fat in the stock, it's best to refrigerate it overnight so you can remove the fat. After it's refrigerated, you'll see a thin layer of fat on top. It's hardened, so it's easy to remove. You see the stock is gelatinous. Gelatin is the cooked form of collagen. Collagen and cartilage in the stock help some people with joint pain and gut issues. This is like a quick version of bone broth. Bone broth takes at least 6 hours, so technically this doesn't qualify, but you can see all the gelatin in the stock, and this liquid is very nutritious. I'm packing this in a container to give to a friend who's sick. Whether you're making this stock for yourself or someone else, it's completely worth making. You saw how simple it was. Just put everything in a pot and leave it alone for 2 hours. This stock has really good, deep flavor, and you feel good drinking it, especially when you're sick or in the cold weather. I've got more shanks in the freezer, and when I have 6 hours, I'll make bone broth and show you how it turned out. Give this a try and let me know how you like it. Subscribe for more easy recipes, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.